Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm back once again, new and latest beautiful idea and styling. Crochet handbags designs, different and beautiful styling and designing. Crossbody bag, craft a hand-free crossbody bag. Great for when you're on the go, and backpack design a stylish crochet backpack with adjustable straps for comfort. Create a trendy bucket bag with a different style and different colors combination clothes. Uh, this slouchy relaxed bag style is great for a casual boho and use colorful games care for concert, unique and eye-catching bag. Try your hand at making a circle bag for a distinctive space and style, like easily lunch bag with a installed approach lunch bag for work or school. Remember to customize your handbags with color embellishment and details that match your personal style and needs. Enjoy your crocheting project and styling. And crossbody bag, craft a hand-free crossbody bag, great for when you're on the go. And create eco-friendly market bag to replace plastic one when shopping. So I hope you like it. Here are some ideas for crochet handbags looks. Well, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Crocheting handbags can be a fun and creative project. You can use a variety of crochet stitches and yarn colors to make unique design. If you have any specific question or need tips on crocheting handbags, feel free to ask for comment section. Mention in comment section for your feedback and response. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.